Hey friends, I'm Tami Pickett with Pickett Real Estate Partners and Keller Williams Realty. And in an effort to talk to you a little bit about home maintenance this month, I have a friend to introduce you to. This is Austin Kirby. He has his own company and I'm going to let him tell you all about it. So thank you for joining me, Austin.
Of course, Tammy. All right, my name's Austin Kirby. I own Kirby Dryer Vent Cleaning, and we do dryer vent cleaning for residential and commercial properties. And pretty much we go around, clean dryer vents, again, for residential and commercial. So we use an air compressor and we go through each vent, clean it thoroughly. I know at your house was very, very dirty.
Oh gosh, 30 years worth of lint.
30 years worth of lint at her house. And I just, like to stress the importance of it. Fires is one of the main causes of, build up in a dryer vent. It's very important to do.
Yeah.
Sure.
He came and cleaned out my dryer vent. 30 years worth of lint, and you also had to replace like the vent cover.
Yep. Sometimes, depending on the house and depending on the dryer vent, if it has if the flaps are starting to deteriorate, we make a note of it and we pretty much will charge a customer for a cover. Yep.
So the dryer vent, when you replace the vent on the outside, I had bird's nest up there.
Yeah,
and that's also a hazard.
Yeah, bird's nest will clog up a dryer vent. So what happens is birds will accumulate all kinds of pine straw, just different kind of debris in the dryer vent, and it causes the dryer to malfunction, and it'll take 2-3 times to dry clothes. And so this is why it's so important, because people will go out, they'll buy new dryers, and all it'll be is a simple fix.
Yeah.
Another real important thing, actually, I'll go into on roof dryer vent cleanings, is on those roof covers. It's very important to for a professional to come out and protect you from it, because what happens is lint gets caked on the flaps. Sometimes there will be rodent guards also that lint gets caked on, and what happens is that reduces the airflow also, and causes the dryer to again malfunction, take 2 to 3 cycles to dry. It's just, there's a lot of different aspects of it. It's a very important thing to do. It's something that needs more recognition.
Yeah. There, a lot of people like, you got your dryer vent cleaned today?
Yeah.
I'm like, yes, because it was nasty.
And then a lot of times they don't even know, what it is. A lot of times people don't even know what dryer vent cleaning is. Again, it's still getting the recognition, but yeah, it's one of the most important things to do as far as home maintenance.
Yeah. So it's not a very expensive thing to do either.
It's not too expensive. No, we charge $129 for an exterior wall vent and $149 for a roof vent. So pretty fair. I think it's very fair.
It's a outing on the weekend.
Exactly.
Really. And then lastly, your recommendation is to have it once a year, right?
I recommend it once a year, getting it done. And I can't, stress that enough. I mean, it's something that you got to keep up. If you're not going to do it every year, you've got to at least do it every 2 years.
Every 30.
Not every 30. Is that, yeah, yours was 30.
Yeah.
So
thank you for sharing that with us.
Of course.
I had learned about it through real estate, of course, but only in the last year or so had I heard about it.
Yeah.
So I was very happy to meet Austin, and he did a great job.
You too. Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right,
I appreciate it.
thank you for coming out.
Of course.
All right, have
Thank
a good
you.
day.
You too.
All right, thank you. See you later.